Nice viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you the top 5 telegrams projects that are end to type, that are tap to ends. Okay, currently going on telegrams. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please do it to subscribe, like and share. And if you are kind of returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so let's quickly dive into that to see some of those projects that are currently ongoing. Okay, so the number one of it you can see is what is yescoin. Okay, is what is yescoin. Yescoin is one of the projects on Telegram, one of the token project on Telegram that is currently ongoing, that you can dive on it, tap, keep earning, and once you earn, it can be retrieved. Okay, it can be received on any exchange of your choice, that is, it can be claimed. Okay, but before I go into that to detail, let me show you its arrangement, how those things are or how they work. So that take me to my notes. All right, so the most biggest airdrop token of today is Hamster Combat. Okay, it's Hamster Combat. As if you could recall earlier, I said I'm going to talk about the top 5 tap to earn projects on Telegram. Okay, Hamster Combat is one of those latest airdrop that was introduced lately March, and since April it has gained a very high momentum because a lot of people have been using it. So as we speak, currently over 200 million people are currently using Hamster Combat. Okay, so the next one here is Tapswap. Okay, Tapswap is also another new project on Telegram, a very perfect game that you can just tap and earn. So as yescoin, the one I just showed you, so as Blum, and so as Pixelverse. Okay, Blum is there, Pixelverse is there, and Tapswap is there, and Hamster Combat is there. So if you are yet to participate in some of these projects, I will drop some of those referral links on my descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up and start tapping. Okay, like as for the Hamster Combat, the launching date is already known, and a lot of exchanges that are partnering with Hamster Combat are many. Okay, Binance is there, Bybit is there, KuCoin is there, and lots more. Okay, that shows that Hamster Combat is very legit, and by special grace of God, is going to keep its time of launching, which has been publicly announced to be on the 10th of July. Okay, so if you are currently here, start tapping and keep making. So let's go to the Telegram and see some of those projects we just mentioned. Okay, one of the projects here is what is the yescoin. Okay, yescoin is not really directly tapping, it's all about pointing, using your fingers to draw the screen, kill those coins, and keep adding volumes. Okay, and keep what? Adding volumes. So I will drop the referral link for you to join if you haven't. Okay, close anyway. So the next project I want us to look at is the talk of the town or the talk of the wall, which is what? the Hamster combat. Here, you click on play. Okay, if you click on play, it says patient for it to load. This is what it has mined for me, and this is what I have total on my Hamster combat coin. Okay, so in Hamster combat, all you just need to do is just keep tapping. Okay, just tap. That's all that you need. Okay, just tap, 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 and keep tapping. Okay, if you are not doing this already, I'll also drop my referral link at the comment section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up and keep tapping. Okay, so as for this one, the launching date is known already, so don't kid with this. If you are not doing this, you are missing. Okay, so join now and start running for your income. Okay, so the next one I really want to show to you right now is what we call the Tapswap. Okay, the Tapswap. So click on play as well. Tapswap also is one of those latest projects on Telegram that has gained a lot of populations in the past few months. And on this Tapswap, all you just need to do as well is to just keep tapping to earn a lot of coins. Okay, my current level here is Grandmaster. Okay, and as it is now, I'm going to drop my referral link as well at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up and keep making coins for yourself. Not just coin that can be later converted to USDT. Okay, so that is it for now. This is the one I'm able to kind of show practically because I do not want the video to be kind of too long. Okay, so I will be stopping here for today. If you do have any questions, do well to drop it at the comment section of this very video and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay, and don't forget, like our videos and also share our videos. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.